So I installed the iPad. Works fine. On the Ford F-150 is a 2019. Connected through here. Sorry, plastic from the products. Regular one connected to the unit. This is just temporary because this is not how it's going to be. I have to rotate it because I have to cut that off for the iPencil, which I'm never going to buy. And once I rotate it, the face camera, Face ID is going to be over here. It works perfectly fine. It recognizes me, everything. So no problems. Reason I did it this way, I ordered these koala mounts from Amazon. I think it's like 12 bucks. So I leveled it kind of eye-wise. Kind of looks crooked anyways. But from my angle, it looks perfectly fine. Volume works. Skip works. You can see there. Skipping. Charging works. Yes, I have Wi-Fi and it has a data line too. I'm going to cancel because this has its data line. So I'm going to press the brake, put the car in reverse, right? I mean the truck. So what happens to the dash cam? Well, pick this up. Got my dash cam. Yeah, you can see that why I use the dash cam. Neighbor parks really close. He parks right on the property line. So I park right on the property line too because I can't fit the truck if I don't. But he wants to park his pretty BMW there. Let him be. And on off. See? It's one-handed. Oops. Can't see because I'm looking through the iPad. I mean through the phone. So not bad. So put this back in gear. Park. So I don't hit that asshole. And yeah, so it's perfectly fine. This one I like way better for music, navigation. I know I have navigation in the car. This is a 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. So not bad. Now I need to buy some other stuff for traffic. But you can see, works perfectly fine. On the iPad, there's the Waze app. So hopefully you guys can see it. I'll put a link for these little suckers. Use the alcohol. It comes in a little pack like this. You get 2 of them. It is kind of big. You can see, it has plenty of room. So if I really wanted to, I can fill it up with some fillers. Or if it's for other tablets or bigger, maybe even a Surface Pro. So not bad. Then it has this little hook right there. Can you see it? I'm gonna run the wire. Once I turn the iPad around, I'll have the wire over here so I can, and it has it on both. See? So I'll be able to hide the wire. Not bad. For what, 12 bucks? You get to do this? I like. Plus it's cheap, easy, no problems. Oh yeah, and this is the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 3rd gen. So see you guys.